channel. Today I'm going to show you a Xiaomi 20,000 milliamps power bank model 2i. I purchased this on the Xiaomi website and the product is made in India. The package looks very neat, sturdy and good, and it also has all the specifications mentioned on the backside. If you look closely on the left hand bottom corner, you can see a security code here, and this can be used to check and verify if this product is genuine or not on Xiaomi's website. I have left you guys a link in the description so that you guys can go check it out. Now moving on, let's open the package and see what's inside it. Okay, here it is. The manual, the power bank, and the USB cable. It's in here. Yes, USB cable. So the power bank build quality looks really good. It's very well manufactured and I am happy with it. It also features an anti-slippery surface. Not sure if you guys can see it. Yeah, when I see it here, all the small perforations, and that helps you grip this product really good. The USB cable here is long enough for most devices, and it can be used with your phones, tabs, or any of those devices. So if you look at the front side of this power bank, you would see two USB ports. These are the output ports, and this is the micro USB port to charge this power bank. You can also see there are 4 LED lights here, and these lets you know what is the charge left in this power bank. 4 LEDs lighting up means 100% charge, 3 would mean 75%, 2 would mean 50%, and the last one would mean 25%. And if you look at the side, on the side of this power bank, you can see there's a small button here. And no, this is not a power button. This power bank automatically turns on and off as you plug in your devices and remove it. This is called the power check button. This helps you check what is the amount of power or charge left over in your power bank. See, all 4 lights come up, and then you have 2 blinking LEDs, which means you have 50% power left over in this. That's a really good feature to know what's the charge left over here. So this power bank comes with a power rating of 20,000 milliamps. It has a cell rating capacity of 3.7 volts and 74 watt hour. 74 watt hour means you can safely take this on any passenger aircrafts while you're traveling. It also comes with all inbuilt protection from overcharging and discharge and other short circuits. This power bank can be used to charge your phones, devices, tabs, and it can be charged using a normal 5-volt wall socket charger. It also has a special feature where you can set it to a low current setting, which helps you in charging Bluetooth headsets and wristbands, because they need a lower current to charge themselves. I think this is a pretty good investment, and for the price I have paid, I think it's really good. The price is affordable, the quality is good, the backup is really good because I have tested it myself, and I do recommend this product. So go on guys, check it out, and subscribe, like and rate my videos, and stay tuned for more videos coming your way.